Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model 3 steering wheel. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful replacement. We'll cover everything from initial safety precautions to the final installation and testing. Remember, taking your time and following these instructions carefully is key. You'll need a few common tools, and we'll detail those as we go. Let's get started on upgrading your driving experience. Before touching anything, make sure your Tesla Model 3 is completely powered down and the 12-volt battery is disconnected. Safety is paramount. Next, you'll find two small covers on the sides of the steering wheel. Gently pry these off. Inside, you'll see the airbag retaining clips. Use a small flathead screwdriver to carefully release these three clips. Once free, disconnect the two electrical connectors from the airbag module and place it in a safe face-up location. With the airbag safely out of the way, you'll see several more electrical connectors. Disconnect all of these, paying attention to their positions. Now, locate the large central bolt holding the steering wheel in place. Use a 21mm socket to loosen and remove this bolt completely. Once the bolt is out, gently but firmly pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. Be careful not to rotate the clock spring behind it. Keeping it centered is crucial. Now for the exciting part. Installing your new steering wheel. Carefully align the new wheel with the splines on the shaft and push it firmly into position. Reinstall the central retaining bolt, tightening it to 44 foot-pounds of torque. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors for your controls and the airbag module. Finally, reattach the airbag module, reconnect your 12-volt battery, and thoroughly test all steering wheel functions to ensure everything works perfectly. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.